The question is, what is the displacement of the body from 1 to 2.2 seconds? So to find the displacement, I got to remember that displacement is the change in position, and position is the vertical axis on this graph. So when I look at this, what I'm going to do is find my two positions at the two times that are given in the question, at 1 and 2.2 seconds. So at 1 second, that's pretty easy. I go up till I get to the graph, and then I'm going to go over to get to the position. Now I need to figure out exactly where that is. On this graph, I'm going from 10 to negative 10. So let's see. Here, 10 to negative 10, that's 5 blocks. So each block is worth 10 divided by 5, or each block is worth 2 meters in this case. So that's going to be negative 2, negative 4, negative 2, negative 4, negative 6. This will be negative 8 meters. Now 2.2. Okay, I got to figure out where 2.2 is. So if I look at the horizontal, I can see that between each of the vertical black lines, that's going to be 1 second, and that takes up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks. So that's 1 over 5, which is 0.2 seconds. So each block is 0.2 seconds. So that's 2. That means that is 2.2 seconds. So I'll go up to the graph, hit the curve. So that's located right there. And then I'll go over to the axis to right here. So I already found that each one of the vertical marks is 2 meters, so that is 2 meters. So the change in position is final minus initial. So the final always occurs later in time, and the initial is the one that occurs earlier in time. So 2.2 is the final, because it goes from 1 to 2.2 seconds, so that's the final 2.2 seconds. All right, so our displacement is equal to the final position minus the initial. So the final position is going to be 2 meters minus the initial, which is negative 8 meters. And 2 minus negative 8, that's 2 plus 8. So that's going to be 10 meters. So the displacement is equal to 10 meters.